Good evening, India. Welcome back to BJ English News, where we bring you the latest headlines. Former MLA Anand Singh escapes deadly gang attack. Former MLA Anand Singh narrowly avoided an attack in Nauranga Jalalpur village during a clash with the Sonu Monu gang. The gang opened fire as Singh arrived to address an incident where they had harassed a local family. Police have recovered bullet casings from the site and increased surveillance in the area. Villagers are fearful of rising violence, criticizing police for alleged inaction on earlier complaints. Authorities have deployed police units to stabilize the situation and are investigating to restore peace in the region. Bihar leaders compete for Karpuri Thakur's political legacy. Ahead of Karpuri Thakur's 101st birthday anniversary, political parties in Bihar are racing to honor the leader's legacy. Thakur, a champion of the extremely backward classes, EBC remains central to Bihar politics. The JDU has dedicated student hostels to his name, while the BJP highlights its support for his family. The RJD is also organizing events to commemorate him. As elections approach, EBC voters are a critical demographic. The competition among parties reflects Thakur's lasting influence and his significance in Bihar's socio-political fabric. Manjhi dismisses resignation rumors, supports PM Modi. Jitan Ram Manjhi, leader of Hindustani Awam Morcha, secular, refuted rumors of leaving the NDA, affirming his support for PM Modi. Speaking at a Munger rally, he cited Modi's trust in him, referencing his ministerial role despite being a first-time MP. Manjhi expressed disappointment with the NDA's performance in Jharkhand, but stressed optimism for future collaboration. His leadership is expected to play a key role as Bihar approaches elections with grassroots support crucial for the coalition's success. Jharkhand women await pending payments under aid scheme. Beneficiaries of Jharkhand's Maiya Samman scheme face delays in receiving their January payments. The program, introduced by Chief Minister Hemant Soren, provides Rs 2,500 monthly to empower women financially. While December's payments were disbursed, administrative hurdles have caused a backlog. Authorities have reopened applications at district offices and assured that payments will resume soon. Former Minister Mithilesh Thakur reiterated the government's commitment to public welfare, emphasizing the scheme's role in promoting women's independence and economic empowerment. Bihar CM's pilot suspended for misconduct and negligence. Captain Vivek Parimal, the pilot for Bihar CM Nitish Kumar, was suspended for negligence after being absent since January 3, 2025. His absence disrupted the CM's Pragati Yatra, forcing the government to arrange alternate pilots, resulting in extra costs. Authorities cited violations of the Bihar Government Servants Rules 2005 in their decision. Despite suspension, Parimal will receive subsistence allowance per regulations. The government emphasized that strict discipline is necessary for roles involving state VIPs, highlighting the importance of accountability in such positions.